Bonjour, bienvenue, and welcome to another edition of Bicycle Gourmet's Wine Vine. This time around, the spotlight is on bio or biodynamic wines. First up is a 2014 Maysara Citrus Pinot Noir. This is a well-matured wine with lengthy tannins bursting with red fruit and blackberry flavors. Wine number 2 is a 2019 Keeler Field Blend. Spice and strawberry flavors reign in this delicious blend of reds and whites from the Keeler vineyard. Wine number 3 is another treasure from the Keeler vineyard, 2018 Keeler Chardonnay. If you're a fan of bright citrus flavors and a long layered finish, this wine has got you covered. More details on these wines in the description.